Okay, so today is December 26th, right? And the Christian holiday of, well, some Christian holidays, not all, Christmas was yesterday, right? So I had two goals, right? I'm Muslim, so people know that, but I was raised Christian, Catholic in particular, and people know how I feel about the religious situations, the religious aspect of some things. But the goal, period, for nothing. My goal next year, because I am a laid off techie, right? The goal from here on out, not actually next year, I don't believe in dates and time really, it's no such thing. But my goal from here on out is, if you ask me for anything, you got to sign up with a investment account somewhere. And this isn't financial advice. This is just being financially savvy, right? Because what I noticed is I come to people about different financial things, you know, what they could do pertaining to their homes, cars, credit bank accounts, you know, trusts and stuff like that. And I end up seeing a bunch of stuff online, a bunch of know-it-alls, people who know everything, you know, everything about everything. You know, they're not sticking to one thing, they just know everything. They know tech, they know finance, and they know all tech, you know, programming. You know what I mean? They know every freaking thing. They know programming, they know fintech, they know AI tech, they know LLM models, they know everything, right? And it's ridiculous because these people seem like they don't understand teams, or they have a very bad distrust of people, or just can't afford to get things done, right? Can't afford it, so they try to do it all on their own, and you know, 99% of these people fail. But next year, my godchildren, grandchildren, play grandchildren, whatever, if you got to sign up with some type of financial institution, get you some crypto, some stocks, some something. These years aren't the years of no assets, okay? So, me, I have a Charles Schwab account. Charles Schwab is a pretty good financial platform. You know, I'm not gonna go through everything it could do for you on this video, but sitting here, I was thinking, you know, I'm seeing all this stuff online, and I'm looking at YouTube and Instagram and all these credit gurus, and like I said, jack of all trades. These people know finances. They know everything about crypto, everything about finance, and then next thing you know, they know everything about AI. They know, it's like ridiculous. Because I just watched, as a digital marketer, I just watched a real estate guy doing some things with digital marketing, and I'm looking, and in my head, I'm like, well, if you're in real estate, usually people in real estate that have money can afford to get somebody to just do it while they concentrate on other deals. That's the normal way of doing things when it comes to money. Usually people who have money, they concentrate on doing bigger deals or better deals or more deals. But this guy was doing a video on getting leads in real estate. And as a digital marketer, I'm like, why don't you just pay somebody to do that? But I realize in today's society that that's not what's happening. AI is causing people to think that they know how to be marketers, that they can be marketers, and a lot of them will fail, because marketing isn't just AI. It just isn't artificial intelligence. Or AI needs a human in the loop to make sure it has the proper information, because it will give you the wrong information, right? Which means that the real estate professional still may need time to go look at something, or any of these people in any type of business may need time to go look and see if they care about their business, you know, if the large language model or the LLM knows what the hell it's talking about, or it's giving you the right output, right? So it just made me think of certain things. And I think that financing or being financially savvy or knowing something about how to save your money pertaining to how to make your money work for you, not save it, but how to make the currency move right is the best thing, right? All successful people make sure that their money moves right. Or make sure it's moving in the best direction that they can see fit, or get someone to move it for them. That would be the best thing, right? So I just wanted to say that from here on out, I'm promoting Charles Schwab because I've been with them for over a year. You can do a lot of things with them that you can't do with regular banks. I think they would be a very good direction to go for a lot of people. You know, in my experience, not financial advice, but my experience. And then to crypto.com, even though I didn't get paid off referrals that I brought to them, and I was one of the beta testers of the system, one of the first cards being issued to. If you're going to get with crypto.com, don't rely on them to pay you referral, okay? Because they're not good at paying referrals, even though they say they're going to give you a referral for bringing people. But I do recommend them simply because of a feature that they have that is valuable for when you put any fiat into their system and participate in any of their products. So I just wanted to put that out there just real fast while I'm sitting here thinking. Just put a video on YouTube, so you know, get some goals set, people. Peace.